Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed how to round off the digits. In this video we will learn prime and composite numbers. Let's start our lecture. Our today's topic is prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers. Can you tell me what are prime numbers? The numbers which are divisible by two numbers, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. Or we can say that the numbers which have only two factors are called prime numbers. For example, 3. Is 3 a prime number? Can you tell me? 3. If we multiply 1 with 3, we get 3. And if we multiply 3 with 1, the answer is 3. We can say that 1 and 3 are the factors of this number 3. Now we will see that if we divide 3 with 1, we get 3 and the remainder is 0. It is completely divisible by 1. 3 into 1, we get 3, and 1 into 3, the answer is 3. Do we have other factors of 3? No, we don't have other factors of 3. Just we have the two factors, 1 and the number itself, that is 3. We can say that 3 is a prime number. I repeat, 3 has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So 3 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. Here we have some more examples of prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. All these numbers are divisible by two numbers only, 1 and the number itself. There are no other factors of these numbers. These are prime numbers. Composite numbers. The numbers which are divisible by more than two numbers are called composite numbers. I repeat, the numbers which are divisible by more than two numbers are called composite numbers. Or we can say that the numbers which have only two factors, the numbers which have only two factors are called composite numbers. Let's take an example. We have 8. Is 8 a composite number? Yes or no? Think about it and tell me. Is 8 a composite number? We will check its factors. 8. If we multiply 1 with 8, we get 8. If we multiply 2 and 4, we get 8. 2 into 4, we get 8. If we divide 8 with 1, 1 into 8, we get 8 and the remainder is 0. If we divide 8 with 2, 2 into 4, we get 8. 2 into 4, we get 8 and the remainder is 0. If we divide 8 with 4, 4 into 2, we get 8 and the remainder is 0. 8 is completely divisible by 4. 8 into 1, we get 8 and 1 into 8, the answer is 8. We can say that 8 and 1 are the factors of this number 8. 2 into 4 we get 8 and 4 into 2 we get 8. We can say that other than 1 and 8, 2 and 4 are also the factors of 8. 8 is completely divisible by the numbers 2 and 4. So 8 is a composite numbers because it has other factors like 1, 2, 4 and 8. Other than 1 and 8, it has two more factors 2 and 4. So 8 is a composite number. Here we have some more examples 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14. Here are few examples of the composite numbers. All these numbers are divisible by some other number other than 1 and the number itself. So they are composite numbers. 2. Is 2 a prime number or composite number? 2 is only even number, that is prime number. Other than 2, all even numbers are composite numbers because all other even numbers have 2 as a factor. We can divide all other even numbers by 2. So, other than 2, all even numbers are composite numbers. In this video, we have discussed about the prime and composite numbers. In the next video, we will learn about the square and cube numbers. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.